Hello and welcome to this new challenge, Excel BI's Excel Challenge 523 from today. So let's take a look. So here is the case. We should make an so-called alphabet staircase. So a staircase here in this order, and the letters should be alphabetic for starting from A. And I think here, if it's larger than 26, so here R is our starting value or the row value here. If it's larger than 26, then we should use the mode, but yeah, I think I will only use this for the chars and not for the structure. So I'll use MAKEARRAY for this. With MAKEARRAY, you can create something like lambda A, B, and B. You can create, yeah. So here arrays in this order, and you get here this in an you get here both a value for the rows and a value for the columns, and you can use this to create that kind of structures. So let's first R for rows here, then MAKEARRAY. I need 26 rows, so R, and for columns I need R times 2 plus 1, because you see here we have every time 2 except for the last one. There we have one additional, so you have in total 53 rows for 26, and then lambda A and B. And now I'll do something like this one here to show you the structure. So here this is our output array, and we now need to look, where do we have do we need to have a letter there later? And this is, for example, here for those one, and for those one, and oh no, sorry, not for those one, for those one, and for those one, and you can see here, okay, first, so if the column is smaller than 3 plus smaller or equal 3 plus row minus 1 times 2. So here this is 3 plus row minus 1 is 0 times 2 is 0, so smaller than 3. Here we have so column, sorry, here we have row 1, so 3 is our starting point. Oh, okay, not only, so this is, let's use this formula to show this. So here, if B smaller or equal to 3 plus A minus 1 times 2 plus so then you get here, so the starting here. So you see here the ending is done properly, but we need here some something to erase that things here. So we make here an additional argument times B should be larger than 3 minus A. Sorry, this will not. No, sorry. B Oh, this will only work for the first one. So A are our rows and B are our columns. So B should be larger than A times 2. A times 2 minus 2. Yeah, done it. So here, this will give out the structure here. So everything B, so our columns, should be smaller than 3 plus A minus 1 plus, times 2 that we have here, that we have here the ending here. And then with B should be larger than A times 2 minus 2 to have here the starting or the starting here, and there you get the structure decently. And then we want to have CHAR of A, because A are our rows, plus 64. And here you see we get the structure, then otherwise we will have nothing. And you get the proper structure here. And now we need to pay attention to this rule here if B is larger than 26. So we take mode of A, divider is 26, but here if the divider, so this is a problem here, mode of 2 with the divider of 2 and that hands out 0 and not 2. And if we want to have 2 here, we need to calculate 2 minus 1 plus 1, and this will hand out 2 in case of 2. In case of 0, it will hand out 0, and in case of 1, it will hand out 1, and it will never hand out a 0. So here A minus 1 plus 65, and you see we get our z here. And also if this is like 52, sorry, if there is something so the array can spill. So after that, it begins again with A and ends with Z as it should be. So let's make this again 26. And then you can also here, I think there's conditional formatting for the green one. So I will use this also for my array down below. So it's beautifully done and it is as it should be. Let's take a look at the other LinkedIn solutions. So here we are. Oh, a little bit long. Here, Chris, also cool solution. Basically the same as I did, but a little bit more shortened. Eddie, yeah, a little bit long. Yeah, also from Bo, as always. A pleasure. And also Rick, super cool solution. Yeah. So, thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next video.